This is a quick video tutorial on processing hazardous waste at the university.
Now let's process some waste. The university uses Keymatix to do that. We can access Keymatix on NED by looking at the safety and quality site and going to hazardous materials, and you will see a link for Keymatix. When you get into Keymatix, you're going to want to click on the waste tab, and you're going to want to create a waste card. And then when you get into create a waste card, you'll see three options: chemical mixture by percentage, chemical mixture by quantity, and then pure chemicals. Pure chemicals are pretty straightforward, and usually folks are using the chemical mixture by percentage, and we're going to use that as an example. The first part, you're going to look and make sure all of the proper information is selected with the accumulation dates. Make sure you have the proper lab selected, container size selected with the units. I'm going to choose 1 liter pH if applicable, and then is your container full or partially full? I'm going to go with full. Number of identical containers, so if you have more than one, you can enter that. Any special comments, go ahead and do that as well. After we have the top part completed, then we're going to select our percentages within the waste stream. So first I need to select my first chemical, and I'm going to go with, let's just pick phenol. Search. And then once you find it, you add it to your mixture. So if I double clicked on phenol, and now it appears as a mixture. You can change that if you made a mistake. I'm going to select another chemical and call it water. Search. I'm going to double click on water and add that to my mixture. And then I'm going to click one more chemical in my waste stream, acetone. Add it to my waste stream. Now I've got my chemicals. I need to assign the percentages. So as you are adding those to your waste stream, make sure you have the proper percentages down. And then do a calculate. And if you have everything correct, you should have a total percentage of 100. You get a little green message at the top that says success. Okay. After that, I'm going to generate my waste card. Now it has saved my waste card. And what you can do is save it to your hot list and name it if it's a waste stream that you commonly use. You can start a new waste stream for a new container, or start a waste card for a similar waste card for a new container, and it will save a lot of the information that you already entered. We want to hit print waste card because that will allow us to print out the paperwork and attach it to the container. So then I get a PDF, and I can print that PDF out and attach it to the container. Can go back into Keymatix and click prepare pickup. So now I'm ready to prepare a pickup. Make sure all the information is properly typed in. If you're ready for that to bring it downstairs, you can do submit for waste pickup. Or if you're not ready to bring it down to our hazardous waste storage, you can save the worksheet, or you can add more waste. If you do not hit this submit for waste pickup, your waste will not get picked up. So this is the one step that people often forget, so write this down in your notes to make sure you hit submit for waste pickup. Now, if you made a mistake and need to edit your waste card, you can click back on waste, and there is a tab, edit waste card. You can search by the content name, your room number, building name, or building number. So let's just try NRRI. And then I have elevated rights, so I have a lot of extra line items here. But here is the last entry that I made with water, acetone, and phenol. You can click on that and print the waste card if you forgot your paperwork, or edit that waste card and resave it. Or if you have a similar waste stream, you can start a new waste card for a new container or start a similar waste card for a new container. I wanted to point out that they do have some job aids and videos for different tasks. Creating your hot list, you can print out that PDF, and what we just went through is also available. And also managing your lab and assigning staff to handle your waste. You will need to go in and look at these videos in order to assign employees to your labs.